There's something really bothering my mind. You know what, guys? I have this confession to make. I stayed here in US of A for 5 years. You know what, guys? I barely can't understand Bisaya and Tagalog anymore. Some people talk to me or text me or DM me using Bisaya and Tagalog. Basically my reaction would be like, what? Pardon? I really can't understand Tagalog, guys, and Bisaya. Guys, if you're going to talk to me or text me or chat me, you should speak or use English because I really can't understand Bisaya and Tagalog anymore. Okay?
Berci,
Ha?
inyong kanding naligsan sa gawas.
Tarong ba?
Lagi, pagdali ang luwag.
Asa pa tuhod ka?